Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will take you through the demolition process. The demolition of the house and preparation of the land for excavation took about 3 months, and that was because it included cutting down of the big trees on the property. It was unfortunate, but according to the city guidelines, we are going to plant trees after the construction is complete. As part of the demolition, we had to also complete rad abatement, asbestos abatement, and submit the certificate of completion. And finally, we also donated whatever we could to Habitat for Humanity before we started the process.
All right. Today is the first day. Cut down this guy, part of those branches. Quite a bit. Open things up. My goodness. Looking pretty good.
So we first started with the arborist removing the trees, and this is how the place looked. You can finally see the house. Unrecognizable, isn't it? After the trees were gone, Habitat for Humanity took everything they could. You can see the windows missing here. And the doors as well. We didn't know we can donate doors to Habitat for Humanity. Before demolition, husband did some prep work and took down most of the fence, and it was time for the excavator to do the rest of the job. So the demolition of the house itself took about a week. Here you can see the excavator taking down the shed present in the backyard. We came to know that a long time ago, the house was owned by an artist and he built the shed as a workshop. We found some really cool artwork in the shed. Cleaning the lot took another 3 to 4 days. Remember the giant tree in front of the house? Yep, that's the roots. Look at how the land has transformed. That's the front of the lot, and here is the back. Another city guideline was to cover the land with tarp to avoid erosion on rainy days. And since we are in the Pacific Northwest, where it rains almost every day in the winters, this was necessary. And here is the beautiful view of the lake, which we are very ecstatic to have from our house.